Hi guys, this is Jack from Jack Makes Money on YouTube. So I know kung ba't nandito ka is because gusto mong magsimula ng YouTube channel mo and actually earn without the need of showing your face or doing personal vlog at all. Then you have come to the right video because for today, ituturo ko sa inyo ng step by step kung paano ka nga ba pwedeng kumita sa YouTube na hindi mo na kailangan mag-vlog. So make sure that you finish this video, don't skip, and hit the subscribe button, like, and leave a comment down below. And make sure that you hit that notification bell as well because I'll be posting more videos on how you can actually earn on YouTube or in any platforms by doing it part-time. Alright, so let's get right to it. Okay guys, so welcome back. And so as I've mentioned earlier, paano nga ba kumita sa YouTube nang hindi mo na kailangan mag-vlog or ipakita yung mukha mo? Because I'm gonna teach you guys how, So again, ang tatlong kailangan mo, yung basic na kailangan mo is the laptop or the PC, internet, and as well as your own YouTube channel. So first of all, you need your own YouTube channel. So kailangan mo pumunta ng YouTube. From here, you will have to sign in your own Google account. So pag na-sign in mo na yung Google account mo sa YouTube, ito yung lalabas pag pinindot mo yung part na to from the top right. And then all you need to do is go on to settings from this part here. In this part, and then pag wala ka pang nagawang channel, ang lalabas dito is create a new channel. Okay, since na I've already made a new YouTube channel for the sole purpose of giving you guys an example on how you can actually do so, ang lalabas dito is ito lang, you create new channel. But then again, I've already created one, so ito yun, ginagawa ko. So this is what your channel will look like sa una. Okay, kasi since na wala ka pang upload, wala pang laman yung channel mo, wala ka pang banner and pictures. So it doesn't matter, it's okay, you can pwede mo siyang trabahuin on a later part. So now that you have your own YouTube channel, you will now start creating your first video. So ano nga bang klaseng content ang ilalagay mo dito or ang i-upload mo na ma-monetize siya ni YouTube and you can earn? So I have here a YouTube channel pulled up on my end. So this one is called Soothing Relaxation. So as you can see, this YouTube channel has 4.4 million subscribers. So by the way guys, before na ma-monetize yung YouTube channel mo, you have to hit the minimum requirements, which are, first, you will need to have 1,000 subscribers. Okay? The next one is 4,000 watch hours. Okay, so 1,000 subscribers and then 4,000 watch hours within 12 months from the date na ginawa mo yung YouTube channel mo. Alright, so from this, the strategy na ituturo ko or the kind of content na gagawin mo sa YouTube mo, I will tell you na sobrang dali lang na ma-hit yung number of subscribers na kailangan and also yung watch hours. Okay, so by then, mag-monetize na yung YouTube channel mo and you can start earning from it. Okay? So this Soothing Relaxation basically is a YouTube channel that has 4.4 million subscribers. So what are their videos actually? So I have one pulled up again from them. So this video is for 8 hours long. Okay? 8 hours long. And if pakikinggan niyo siya, it's just simply, a video with a background music, with a relaxation music, relaxing music, and as well as some images that is pleasing to the eyes. And mind you, this video has 27 million views. Okay? And this was uploaded 3 years ago, and this already have 27 million views. So if you ask, people from around the world are actually watching this kind of videos simply because they want to relax. It can also be perfect as background music if you're trying to get some sleep, okay, or if you're trying to do yoga. And this type of music is what they listen to when performing those. So if you create your own channel and actually promote that with the right way of promoting it, you can actually grow your channel and actually earn from it. Alam mo yung best part nito is like you can create your own video in less than an hour, and then just wait for people to view or search your videos on YouTube. So now that you know what kind of content na ang kailangan mong gawin, I'm gonna teach you some very basic tutorial on how to actually create your own video like this. Okay, so first you will need to have your own video editor. But before that, just to give you like a heads up or an idea kung how much will you be earning in this kind of videos. So I have a website here called Social Blade. Now Social Blade can give you an estimated income of YouTubers. So for the channel that I've shown you earlier, the Soothing Relaxation, as you can see here, they're earning 13,000 to 200,000 monthly earnings. So magkano yan guys kung sa peso, di ba? Try natin i-calculate, okay? How much is $13,000 a month, okay? In peso. So that's $650,000 peso guys. And let's get right to how you can actually create this video. So first you need a video editor. So I actually have here a free tool that you can use, a free video editor that you can download na libre lang, wala kang kailangan na license or i-enter na key for you to be able to use the full feature because it's totally for free. So it's called OpenShot Video Editor. I'm gonna be putting the description or the link on the description box, so you don't have to worry about that. So simply download it. It's available on Windows or on your Apple laptop or PC and Linux operating systems. So it's very good. It's a good editor. You can watch, YouTube tutorials and how you can use it on its max potential, like the filters and transitions, all that. So just visit the link, and then now that you have your own editor, you will need a background music. Okay? Question is, saan ako kukuha ng music na hindi ako makaka-copyright ni YouTube? Okay? Because if you get a copyright claim on your videos on YouTube, mamamonetize siya, pero yung income na kikitain mo dun sa video na yun will be paid to the one who filed the copyright claim. Okay, so wala kang kikitain dun, so magiging useless lang yung effort mo. So make sure that the music that you're going to use is copyright free. Okay, so the best thing about YouTube is that they provide free music for YouTubers. So this can be found in their audio library. Okay, so nasa audio library siya na YouTube. As you can see here, it says free music. Okay, so since ang gagawin mo video is intended for relaxation or somewhat, inspirational and motivational stuff, you need to search for a music or a background music that is actually uplifting. Okay, so let's try to search here relax. Okay, so ito yung lumabas. So these are the list of music that you can actually use and download for free. So this is copyright free, so you don't have to worry again for any copyright claims in the future. Pag lumaki yung channel mo, dumami yung views and all that. Alright, let's try to listen to this one. Okay, so naka-click na pala siya. Alright, so as you can hear, this one is a good music for your video. So all you need to do is actually click on this arrow, which means download. Okay, and then now you have your own music. What we need now is the background or the image background that you will use while the music is playing. I have here another website that actually offers free videos and photos, absolutely certainly copyright free. So again, you don't have to worry about any copyright claims in the future, because the people that uploaded their works here have given permission prior to you downloading their content. Okay? And since na yung gagawin natin video is about relaxation and inspirational, you need to find something that is pleasing to the eyes, as well as like yung pag tinignan mo, marerelax ka, you get to feel at ease. Okay? So I have here, as I search on the search box, nature, because if you see like greens and all that, it feels good, right? So you can actually choose from here, or you can also go to photos if you want. If gusto mo na photos lang yung nagpi-play sa YouTube mo, it's okay. And it's also very easy to edit as well. Okay, you can choose here any okay, like for example this one, it's very green, and I think like if like yung viewers mo panonoodin yung video mo along with the background music, it's a very good combination. Okay, so all you need to do is right click on this, save image, and then save it to your computer. Okay, and then there you have it. Okay, so now you already have your background music, your YouTube channel, and the background image or the video. Let's go straight to the video editor. Now earlier, etong OpenShot ang in-advertise ko sa inyo, but personally, I use a different video editor I've been using for a long time already, and medyo gamay ko na siya. Kuha ko na yung kung paano siya gamitin. So this is called Wondershare Filmora. This isn't free, license crack, all that. I don't know how you call it, but if you guys want to use this as well, just comment down below, and I will try to create a YouTube tutorial if we get like a reasonable number of requests, if ito yung gusto nyong gamitin, because it's also good. It has fair amount of filters, transitions, and options, subtitles, and all that, which is good as well. Okay, so all you need to do is to import your files, the image and the music that you downloaded earlier. Okay, so I have everything here. All you need to do is actually drag them to the editor para ma-start mo na siya na ma-edit. Okay, so this is the one I downloaded earlier, which is a video, as you can see, full of greens. Okay, full of trees, which is very pleasing to look at. Now let's add some music to it. Okay, alright, can you hear it? Now if you listen to it and look at the video at the same time, it's very relaxing and inspirational. Now if you want to create a longer video but you have troubles, kasi ito maiksi lang yung video mo, it's okay. Again, pexels.com provides free videos and photos, stock videos and photos. So you can actually download another video and just simply import it to here, and then add it here just to make a longer video. Maybe you want to create 15 to 30 minutes video, just so madali mo makuha yung 4,000 watch hours. Okay, so the longer the video, the longer the people will view your video on YouTube, the easy or the quicker that you will get the 4,000 watch hours requirement. Okay, or you can actually as well just loop this video. Okay, because sometimes I believe na yung music na talaga yung habol ng ng tao na manonood sa video mo. For example, he or she's doing yoga, or she is about to sleep, or she just want to relax while reading a book, or sipping her coffee. So this is a great music or background music that you want. So you can simply just loop it, drag and then drag and then drag. Okay, as soon as you reach your target time, okay, you can see it here actually. So this one is 10 minutes, 9 minutes, 8 minutes. Now as for the music as well, you can also add another one here to make it seem like it's long music. Okay, now if you want some transition and all that, you can also do so. We have here a fading transition, just so it has like an effect na fade black, and then another video will appear. So it will be better if you like have different kind of videos, like different videos with that transition. Okay, so that's it. All you need to do is export. Okay, click on export here. Then you will be asked where you want to save the file. You create a file name, let's say relaxing video. Okay, and then browse where you want to save your video. Personally, I created a relaxing folder just so I can keep track of my videos. Okay, and then click on export here, and then you will have to just wait for this bar to be full, and then pag natapos na yun, it means that yung video na ginawa mo is already in one. Okay, so it's now ready to be uploaded on YouTube. Okay, so I'm just gonna cancel this since this is just a tutorial. Alright, so let's get back to YouTube on how you can actually upload it to your channel. Since the bago ba yung YouTube channel mo, this is the option. This is one of the options where you can upload your first video. It will be here, upload a video or to get started. So you just have to click this. So there are two ways on how you can upload a file here. It's either you click on select file, then a folder will pop up, and then we'll ask you to choose a file to click and open. Or you can also open your own folder. Open your own folder, and then you can simply drag the file to here, and there you have it. You just have to wait for this to reach 100% for your video to finish uploading, and while waiting you need to fill up the the requirements, like the title, let's say relaxing music. Okay, perfect for let's say yoga, meditation, and relaxing. Or you can also add there or sleeping as well. And then sa description box mo, the call to act, where you ask your watchers to actually subscribe to your YouTube channel. And you can also say you will be uploading videos on a weekly basis, or whatever frequency you want, you can put it there, just so that your watchers will have an idea kung kailan ka mag-upload ulit. Alright, and then after this, okay, actually I don't need this uploaded because it's just a sample video, so I need to cancel. Alright, and there you have it. So that's it for today's vlog, and thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope na may naitulong ako sa inyo kung paano ka nga ba pwedeng kumita sa YouTube without the need of vlogging. Okay, and make sure to hit that subscribe button, like, and if you have any questions, you can comment down below, and I'll try my best to get back to you as soon as I can. Okay, ciao.